Welcome to my channel. Today's question is they're given AB equal to 400, BC equal to 800, then CA equal to 1200. We need to find A plus B plus C value. To find A plus B plus C, recall the one of the formulas of A plus B plus C. That is, if you do square, that is equal to, what is the formula for this? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. What is AB plus BC plus CA? 400 plus 800 plus 1200, which gives 2400. So this value is 2400. After multiplying by 2, then you will get 4800. So up to here we know this. Still we don't know what is A square, what is B square, what is C square. To get A square, if you multiply AB, what we have AB and here we have CA. Let's multiply these two. So AB times CA, we need to get only A times A, which is A square. So if we don't need BC, so just divide with BC. So AB times CA divided by BC, then you will get A power 2, isn't it? So AB, the value is 400, CA the value is 1200, BC the value is 800. After cancelling, then you will get 600. So A power 2, the value is 600. So just write here 600. Similarly, we are going to find B power 2 and C power 2. When you get B power 2, we need to take in the numerator BC times AB. Here we have B, here we have B. We don't want these two, so we have to divide with CA. So what is the BC value? BC value is 800, AB value is 400, then CA value is 1200. So then you are left 800 over 3, that is B power 2 value. 800 over 3 plus, still we need to find C power 2 value. C power 2, when you get C power 2, if you multiply CA times BC divide by AB, then you will get C power 2, isn't it? 1200, BC the value is 800 divided by 400, then you will get 2400, that is your C power 2. 2400 plus 4800. First you add these three values. 2400 plus 600, which gives 3000. 3000 plus 4800, which gives 7800. If you take LCM, then you will get 7800 times 3, which gives 23400 plus 800. So then 23,400 plus 800, which gives 24,200. If you divide with 3, then you will get 8066.66. But this is A plus B plus C whole power 2 value. But we need to find only A plus B plus C. Further, take square root on both sides. So then you will get A plus B plus C equal to square root of 8066.66. Observe the number 8066, which is less than 8100, isn't it? So 8100, it is nothing but 90 power 2. That means our result should be less than 90. It's very near to 100. That means our value should be very close to the 89 or 90, something like that, isn't it? So that's why let's do 89 whole power 2. Using the square trick, we can find 89 power 2 easily. So this is a tens digit, this is a unit digit. First we have to do square the tens digit, which is 8 power 2, 64. Then square the units digit, 9 power 2, which is 81. Then multiply all the numbers. 8 times 9, 72. 72 times 2, which gives 144. Just write 144. Then add the numbers. Then you will get 7921. 89 power 2, the value is 7921. Then 90 power 2, the result is 81. But our result is in 8066. That means our result should be in between 89 to 90. In between only. So between numbers are 89.1, 89.2, 89 and so on, 89.9 and then 90. So these are the in between numbers. Our result is 8066 and 90 power 2, the result is 8100. It's very near to here. So that's why let's try this 89.8 or 89.9. Let's try 89.8. Do whole square. So these two numbers you take it as a tens digit and this number you just take it as a units digit. 89 power 2, the value is 7921. Then square the units digit. 8 power 2, the value is 64. Then multiple all the numbers. 89 times 8 times 2, which gives 1424. So which is equal to 8064. So where is the decimal point? After 8 we have a decimal point. We are doing square. That's why after 2 digit you have to add the decimal point. That means 8064.04. So that means our result should be nearly approximately equal to 89.8. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.